Good morning guys, welcome to Motovlog number 44. I'm on my way to Ambience Toll. Today we are not doing a long ride, we are doing GFR, Gurgaon Faridabad Road. And then we're going for breakfast to a new cafe, at least a new cafe for me. I don't know how long it's been there. It's called the Chip Machine Cafe. I've reached the Ambience Toll. Where are the boys? Yep. Morning sir, how are you?
I've never seen it falling. What's up, buddy?
Very good.
Glad you could make it.
Karen ji. Yeah? I know, one ring and you're disconnected. No, it doesn't matter. I can imagine. नहीं कोई नहीं, अभी करता हूँ 2 मिनट में. सच का how are you? क्या जी? बिल्कुल ठीक जी. Very long time sir. क्या हालचाल, ठीक हो? बड़ी देर के बाद निशु, क्या हाल है? सब बढ़िया।
यार पता क्या है, मेरे को लास्ट टाइम उसने बोला था दुआ ने आइस पैक डाल, आइस पैक से ठीक हो जाएगा। मैं पहले हीट करा था, मेरा लास्ट संडे से आइस पैक शुरू करा। आई स्टार्टेड आइस पैक, 2 दिन ठीक हुआ, 3 दिन ठीक हुआ, उसके बाद yesterday अगेन went क्या?
Rolling now from the Ambience Toll on our way to Manesar, and then from Manesar we take a U-turn and then head to GFR. That's the plan. So in my past few vlogs I've been talking about the Honda Goldwing. Some of you must have heard before also me ranting about it. I'd booked the new, but once I sold my previous Goldwing, which was last year in September, I had booked the new Honda Goldwing. Now I'd been kind of contemplating on that idea whether I should pick it up or not. First it wasn't available, then I was getting delivery in November, then I pushed it forward to February, then I pushed it forward to April, and now finally I decided that I'm not picking up the Goldwing. And a few days ago I sent them out an email. I spoke to the Big Wing guys and I told them to cancel my booking and refund the booking amount. Now the reason behind that is the Goldwing is a great bike. It's lovely, it's fantastic, but the bulk and all does not permit me to travel to off-beaten paths because the ground clearance is not there, and also with the bulk and everything, you know, it's not that easy to manage in paths which are on roads and places which are not very motorable. So sorry, Raman came and I had to stop recording. He had something to say. So I was talking about the Goldwing. Basically, long story short, cancelled the Goldwing, and I'm now looking. I have been looking for a bike which can do everything. So what came to my mind was an adventure tourer. Now, typically there are 2 main adventure tourers that everybody goes for. One is the BMW GS, GSA, and Multistrada. So Triumph Tiger is also there, but I've never been too fond of the Tiger. So my options were between the BMW GSA and the Multistrada. The Ducati Diavel last year, when I sold the Goldwing in September, The experience that I've had with Ducati ownership is fantastic. It's by far the best compared to all other brands that I've owned since I've been riding bikes. And I'm thinking of the Multistrada. The BMW, of course, is by far the best adventure tourer. The entire world's voted on it, but the Multistrada is not too far behind. And the models I was looking at are the V4S, the Rally V4, and the Pikes Peak V4. Buffy has got the, I think he's got the V4S today from the company for a test ride. So I'll probably take it from him during this ride and do a little test ride of the V4S. So at least I get an idea of how the bike handles and how it works, and you know how the entire riding experience of the Multi is. And I think then that'll make it easier. First, it'll help me decide whether I want to pick up a Multi or not. And if I like it, then we decide. But guys, if you have any info on which of the three Multi would be the better one, though I really like the Pikes Peak. Pikes Peak is more road oriented. So last time that I rode was 2 weekends ago when I did the Ducati ride. I had Pankaj and Kuber, father and son duo, riding with me, and today we've got Buffy, who's just riding the Multi, and his son on the Monster. It's cool to see father and son duo riding together. I think these guys have been riding together for a while with the group, but I've missed them earlier. It's nice. It's good to see that families getting together while riding. How cool is that? So Buffy and his son Dhruv remind me of Dharam Paje and his son's Sharidol. You're on camera. Big small talk.
मनीष फोटो ले लेंगे क्या ग्रुप की? हाँ ग्रुप की और ग्रुप की। आओ फिर।
मनीष ग्रुप पे नहीं है
तो फोटो किसी को तो लेनी पड़ेगी। तू ले ले, कॉन्फिडेंस देगा मनीष।
I've swapped bikes with Buffy now. I'm going to test ride the Multistrada V4S. And he's riding my Tenna. Sorry, I didn't even say what bike I was riding. A lot of you must have noticed. It's the Tenna, the Ninja, the Kawasaki. So he's going to ride that. Oh shit, this is massive.